Hello, I'm Miles Tails per hour. We will now continue to part 2. One thing about dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is given by m, l, and t, where m represents mass, l represents length, and t represents time. The momentum is given by m1, l1, t-1, and for the force, m1, l1, t-2. One thing about acceleration, let us denote vi, the initial velocity, and vf, the final velocity. For a positive acceleration, the final velocity must be greater than initial velocity. Or, if you have reversed the sign, it becomes negative acceleration, or retardation, where the final velocity is less than initial velocity. Don't forget to divide by time t. Now let's solve this question as an example. A block of mass 3 kilograms is pushed from 0 to 2 meters per second in 3 seconds. Determine the force obtained. The answer is 2 newtons, where the acceleration obtained is 2/3 of meters per second squared. And for the momentum, a ball of mass 2.5 kilograms is moving with a velocity of 4 meters per second. Determine the momentum obtained. The answer is 10 kilogram meters per second, as it does not affect the acceleration. These are the basics of Newton's laws of motion. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.